Hey Priscilla, my name is Lee Turbianic and I spoke with the front desk today about your website and I noticed a couple of major issues that could be resulting in you guys not getting as much business as you should be. I love the layout, but you're missing a couple key elements that hopefully I can help you with. And yeah, let's start. So like I said, I came across your website and there's three major things that I want to cover today, and that is content, citations, and backlinks. So Google typically likes to see around 1,500 words on a home page, and that's so you could fit some of these major keywords that people are actually typing in each and every month when they're looking for, say, plumbing services or air conditioning, any of the services that you offer. You got to think that Google is just a crawling website and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information about who you guys are and what you're offering, it's not going to rank you high because you don't have enough for the client to really to be able to decipher, what you guys offer and what you guys are. So that's the first thing when it comes down to content. But I just did a quick search for plumber, Fresno, California. And as we scroll down to the organic, we can see that prplumbingfresno.com is in first. And they don't have a bad layout, and they have some content here, content, some content, a couple reviews, but nowhere near the 1,500 that Google likes to see. So if we were to go out and get 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, you'd easily beat them in that aspect. And like I said, we're going to go through your keywords here shortly. But let's go back to this main search, Plumber, Fresno, California. So Google's broke down into three sections. This top section is Google Ads, which I see you guys are running some ads right now, which I could also assist you with. But if you're ranking in this top three for the GMB listing and on the first page for your website, you guys could shut those ads off and you'd be pulling tons of business, and I'm going to show you exact numbers here shortly. So let's touch base on this GMB listing. So as you can see, All Star Plumbing Fresno is in first place. Now, what ranks you in this section is a citation. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook, YouTube, BBB. There are a couple big ones. But I wanted to see how many citations All Star Plumbing has to claim that #1 spot. So I have a local citation finder that I pay for monthly. I plugged in All Star Plumbing Fresno's information, and it's showing me that they only have 52 to claim that #1 spot. Now, as you can see, this is going to show me all their citation sources, or where they're getting their citations from, and all these are submittable. Now, they're not created equal, so as you can see, YouTube, Facebook, Bing, Waze, BBB, Yellow Pages, they're all wide known, well-known, well-trusted websites, and that's why their domain authority is so high. So that's giving them some big power. Now, as we go down, you can see some of these are losing a lot of power. And look, the Plumber Hub, Contractors Up, Enabler.org, ? That just goes to show the difference in domain authority, because I've never heard of any of these, and look at how weak their score is. But as you go up top to these well-known ones, you can see their scores are higher, which is transferring a lot more power to their GMB listing. So that's what we want to target, and I'd like to add 100 to 200 to your guys' GMB listing of powerful, relevant citation sources. Beat these guys, get up in this top three, and you're going to see a huge change in clients coming in just by being here alone. So yeah, that's a citation, and that's what ranks you in the GMB section. Now this bottom section is called the organic section, and this is where your website ranks due to backlinks. Now a backlink is when one website links to another website via a clickable link. I'm sure you've seen it before on a website where there's blue writing. You click on it, it may take you to a completely different website that's maybe offering the same thing. Well, that's that first website giving the other website a backlink. And Google loves them. They consider them votes. They see that if one website's willing to send its traffic to a completely different website, it must be powerful and must be trustworthy. So the more votes you have in return, the higher you'll rank in Google's eyes. So as we know, prplumbingfresno.com is in first place for this keyword, Plumber, Fresno, California. Now I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this is going to show me a basic overview of your stats. So I plugged in leadsair.com, And as you can see, you guys have some good stats at the moment. You have 1,300 backlinks coming from 140 domains, but only 61 of them are transferring any power to you. So you could have 5,000 backlinks, and if they aren't do follow links or powerful, then they're not going to do anything for you guys. So you guys are ranking for 283 keywords and getting about 657 traffic, and I believe that's probably due to your ads that you're running at the moment. But let's look at your competitor, which was that plumber Fresno. I plugged him in, PR Plumbing Fresno. They have a 29 and 19 and 60 referring domains, giving them 700. 20 do follow links, but their 20 is more powerful than yours. But the best part about this is we can go right into their backlinks, and here's all their backlinks laid out for me to go through, depict, and add your listing to them, add your website to them, and try and get backlinks from them for you organically. We know it's working for them, it'll work for you. So let's touch base on some of your keywords, because this is why it's important to have that 1,500 words on your homepage and throughout. Now this is going to show me the exact keyword, how many times it's being searched, and the traffic that you're getting from them. If it loads, there we go. So let's see, you're ranking a lot of keywords for your name, which you're not pulling many people who are just looking for a plumber that don't know you. So here's some: air conditioning Fresno, 100 searches a month. This is going to show me the volume, which is a monthly volume, the KD, which is how hard it is to rank for, and the position and traffic that you guys are in for it. So as you can see, you don't really have HVAC Fresno 50, which is a high KD. Let's look at your competitions and see if they have, usually if they're in first place, yes, here we go, look, plumbers Fresno, 700 searches a month for a plumber in Fresno. They're in second position, they're getting 100 traffic. That's 100 jobs they could possibly be getting from just having this keyword. Plumber without the S Fresno, 200 searches. Plumbing Fresno, 350. So that's 350 people typing plumbing Fresno into the Google search engine bar each and every month looking for plumbing in Fresno. Fresno CA plumbers, 350. They're getting 29, 47. They're getting so much traffic just by being in the first and second, fourth, on the first page, mind you. They're pulling tons of traffic, but let's see. Fresno CA Plumbing, 70. Fresno Plumber, 60. Fresno Plumbing, 200. Plumbing Company Fresno, 50. Plumbing companies in Fresno, California, 30 searches. And these are rough estimates. This could be 100, 200, it could be more. Plumbers in Fresno, 100. Fresno Plumbing and Heating, 100. So you guys have a huge wide variety of keywords in your area with all the services you offer, and I would go through and find all these keywords. We would have some beautiful content written up. And just to give you a quick overview, here's a beautiful website that I'm building right now that offers all his services, beautiful layout, quick and easy form that they can submit, goes right to your email, or they can call, click the call buttons. But this is the content that we're going after right here. See, Woodland Hills Plumber, that's an important keyword. Woodland Plumbers, there's another keyword. Plumber Woodland Hills, keyword. You want these keywords throughout all your content on your homepage, so when someone types it, Google recognizes it. And if you have the right SEO and backlinks to power up your website, you'll be in the first page for it, and you'll get that business. So let's touch base on what we spoke about. The first thing was content. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage, including those keywords that we went over. Second thing we talked about was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories across the web. And I suggest getting 100 to 200 of these powerful citations, beating these guys out by a landslide, getting up in the top 3, and start pulling some real clients from organically from right here. And the third thing we talked about was backlinks. And you guys need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that your website is the authoritative website. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today with and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. But if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570 240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you, Priscilla, and give me a call at any time or email me back. We could set up a time to talk, and I would love to get you guys rolling. You guys have a beautiful company by the looks of it. Just a little bit of work, and you guys could be rolling in the business. All right, thanks for watching.